In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or permanently delete your Fireflies AI account. It's actually a pretty quick process, so stick with me until the end. Now, you might be wondering why someone would want to delete their account. Well, maybe you've switched over to another service, or you just want all your data, meetings, and summaries cleared out. Whatever the reason, it's all handled right inside your Fireflies AI dashboard. So, once you're logged into your account, this is the home screen you'll see. From here, look over on the left-hand side and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. When you do that, a menu will appear and you're going to choose Account Settings. Once you're in Account Settings, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Delete Account. When you click on Delete My Account, a pop-up will appear asking why you want to delete your Fireflies AI account. You can go ahead and pick the reason that best fits you, and if you'd like, you can also type in additional details. After that, just click on the purple Continue button to confirm. I'm not going to go through with deleting my account since I still use it, but that's basically all you need to do. So, if you are looking for the easiest way to remove or delete your Fireflies AI account, now you know how.